Hello there, welcome back to sallyantiques.co.uk. I'm looking today at some of the eclectic stuff we have in the shop, and here we're looking at some celebrity memorabilia, signed pictures, that type of thing. Just to give you a flavour of what we have, I'm going to show you a few things here. We've got an authenticated and signed picture of Michael Jackson, the fantastic songwriter and singer, and we have the whole band of the Rolling Stones. And this is an early set of signatures here, quite a rare item that. I'm going to nip over to the Hollywood signed selection here. Now this is James Stewart. If you ever watched the film It's a Wonderful Life, you'll remember James Stewart as George Bailey, fantastic Christmas film. I do watch it every year still, and it still makes me cry. Kim Novak. Now, Kim was one of Alfred Hitchcock's favourite leading ladies. Did a few films with her. Bob Hope, American comedian, actually born in Britain, to name but a few. Richard Holden, there's a few more there. We've got James Garner. He was Jim Rockford of the Rockford Files. Going over to sport now, we've got the tragic Randolph Turpin, a British, he was a British boxing champion. Had a sad life. If you want to research him, it's quite an interesting read. And here we have the undefeated world champion, Rocky Marciano, the Italian Stallion. This is a boxing club dinner, or a sporting club dinner, held in London, and it's signed by Rocky Marciano himself, Reg Guttridge, Charlie Chester, to name but a few, and some other dignitaries, but Rocky Marciano is the important one there. And not to forget the Flying Scot, Jackie Stewart. A signed picture of Jackie Stewart in his car, and my favourite by far, Bridget Bardot, so don't miss out on Bridget. But they're all available on the website and in the shop, so look on the website sallyantiques.co.uk, and all come into the shop when we're open sometime in April. See you then.